Okay, we're going to go ahead and get you paid $34. Now, from this website that you're on, you've already hopefully got your $100 coming your way. You click this button here first. Now we're going to click this second button. Let's get you $34, paid 34. So you're going to click here, and it's going to open up to Nexus Rewards. Now, you can go through this page, watch the different videos, read about everything here, but I'm just talking about joining for free and getting $34 over and over again. So what we're going to do is we're just going to join, click here, join now, click here. So it'll open up on a new page. And again, this is the premium, but I'm talking about just becoming a free member and getting your $34. So down at the bottom, no thanks, I just want the free stuff for now. So you'll click here and you'll enter your name, valid email. And what you'll end up doing is you'll submit that. You'll end up creating an account, username and password, and I'm just trying to move this here. Hold on, please. Get right here. So what we want to do is once you're logged in, and let me actually log out here. So once you create your account, and again, you're a free member, you're going to have your username and your password, and you're going to log in. Once you're logged in, and it takes a while, once you log in and going from page to page inside your back office of Nexus Rewards. So you'll be at the business home here, and you're going to come here to your app product. So we're going to click on that app product, and you can watch this video, but this is how you're going to get your $34. Now, watch this video, and you're going to go and set up the 3 separate apps on, well, the first one you can do it on your computer or your phone. The first one, it doesn't matter. The next 2 after that, the second and third app, you have to do it on your phone. So your first app, again, you can do it on the computer or your phone. You go ahead and you register. You'll click on the next step, and it will say click here, and then it will be a video. There'll be a video there. You watch, and it will show you exactly how to set up your app, either on your phone or on your computer. It doesn't matter. Once you register with that company, you now go ahead and log into your new app account, again, either on your phone or the computer. And I recommend going to Walmart. You're going to buy things that you're planning on buying anyway from Walmart. Things that you might need, toiletries, cleaning products, canned goods, box goods. You want to spend at least $30. Okay, once you spend $30, and you make that purchase through the Walmart page of that app, you'll click on the Walmart banner inside that app, and then you make your purchase. Now, if it's going to be shipped to you, it's going to be $35 because Walmart provides free shipping at $35. So these are things you're planning on buying anyway. It will be shipped to you for free. Or if you even a neighborhood center, you click on the Walmart banner, goes to Walmart.com, and now you make your purchase. Now you got to pick and choose what store is closest to you before you place your order, and you can go ahead and order your $30 worth of product that you're planning on buying anyway. Once you do that, the company will send you via mail a check for $30. So that's your first app. Then the second app, you come back to this page here, and it will give you instructions on how to get to. You'll click here to go to the second app. It'll give you instructions to get the second app. Again, the next 2 apps, you have to use your phone. So you get this app on your phone. Once you have the app on your phone, you go ahead and you use it. How do you use it? Well, if you come back over here, to the website. And if we come back to this section right here, it talks about gasoline saving up to 25%. I've actually saved more than that. I've saved up to 34 cents a gallon on my gasoline. And anyway, you open up that app on your phone and you're ready to get gas. So you go ahead and um, you open up the app and it will tell you, okay, here's a list of gasoline stations that you can go to use this app. You'll drive to that gasoline station. You go ahead and you pump the gas, and you open up the app and it says, you're here. You pump your gas, print out your receipt, and then once you're in the car, get back in the car with your receipt. Go ahead and claim that savings. Again, it could be anywhere from 6 cents to 25 cents to 30 cents a gallon of gasoline that you're saving. And it's free. Now, once you use that app for the first time, this company gives you $2. Now, that goes towards your next purchase on your gasoline. And so you're done. Now, but what's interesting is with this program with Nexus, when and let me go back to the first app again. When you refer people to Nexus now, and they get that first app, and they get their $30 worth of stuff, they're going to get a check for $30. You're going to get a check for $30. So you can get $30 over and over again. Same thing with the second app. When they use the app for the first time, they add it to their phone. They're going to get their savings on their gasoline, and you're going to get up to 15 cents per gallon of gasoline on your personal referral. Okay, so it's a pretty amazing program. And then after that, 1 cent, and then a half a cent on everybody after that. So it gets to be pretty amazing on your gasoline, and you could actually get to the point where you get free gas. These are pretty amazing things. Now, once they get $2, once they use the app, you're going to get $2 as well. You're going to get $2 because you referred them. So the third app, if we come back here, you're going to set up your third app. I got to get to the right page. Sorry. Your third app, you'll come back here to your third and final app that you're going to put on your phone. You'll install it on your phone. Once you put it on your phone, the gas receipt that you got from, your gas, could be 25 cents, 30 cents, 34 cents a gallon on your gasoline off. You take this third app, you take a picture, open up the app, you take a picture of that receipt, and not just your gas receipt, but any receipt. It could be Dunkin' Donuts, it could be a mom and pop store, it could be whatever business you go to, and you open up this app and you take pictures of these receipts, and the company gives you points. Now, once you use the app for the first time, they're going to give you $2, and that $2 goes towards those points. So you get that $34 total from the three apps that you're getting. This is free money. Free money. These are things that you're already spending money on anyway. So you go ahead and get your third app and your $34. Now, when you refer others to these three programs inside, or three apps inside the Nexus Reward, you'll get your own Nexus Rewards link. And you'll refer people to Nexus Rewards. The same thing with your Chime account. You're going to get a link that you can refer others, and when you refer somebody else to that. So that's pretty much it. You're getting $34. So we got come back to this page here. Back on here, between these two, you just earned $134. Keep up the good work. Now let's get you $20 more on the next video. Thank you.